This is section 9, part 5, letter M. There are two signs to come in fulfillment for two dreams that begins with the letter M. There are two dreams about the moon. The first dream in this piece comes from section 3, part 1, letter M, and its call name is S21MND. In the month of August 21st, 2008, I recorded this dream inside my dream book. In this dream, I found myself walking with a stranger. The stranger and I were walking towards the ocean. I believe this ocean the stranger and I were walking to was the Atlantic Ocean. And in the horizon, I noticed our moon. The moon was half lit at the bottom, and the top part of the moon was dark. The dark part of the moon was emanating steam or mist from its surface. When I took notice of the moon emanating mist off its surface, I became slightly afraid, and I woken up from this dream. And then this dream impressed me so much so I decided to draw about it. And this is what I see. Okay. In this dream, I draw the moon horizontally lit at the bottom, and the dark part of the moon, or the top dark part of the moon, is emanating some white mist off its surface. Here is section 9, part 5, letter M, first sign to come in fulfillment. In the month of November 15, 2010, I received a sign to S21MND, coming fulfillment, which was presented to me when I had to do research on the internet, and I stumbled upon a YouTube clip which showed the moon horizontally or nearly horizontally tilted, and this video talked about that it was strange for the moon to be tilted this way horizontally, because the moon, when it's a half a moon, is vertically dark on one side and vertically lit on the other side. And I took this YouTube video as a strange thing to watch, because I had no idea up to this point that the moon is only supposed to, when it's a half a moon, to be one side vertically, which is standing up, meaning vertical means up. One side of the moon is supposed to be dark, and the other side of the moon is supposed to be lit. So when I seen this YouTube clip, I was inspired to investigate further about the claim that it's not normal for the moon to be horizontally lit on one side, or nearly horizontally lit on one side. So as I done further research into the anomaly of the moon tilting, I found out a lot of people all over the world also began to take notice that the moon would rise and it would be vertical, and as the day go on and night comes, the moon would literally tilt. And so what I seen on the internet made me go back to this dream, which I just told you guys about, and like I said, I showed you guys the moon horizontally at the bottom. So when I dreamt this, I was somewhat ignorant about the moon being horizontally lit, and in this dream I did not know that the moon is not supposed to look this way. It's supposed to look bright vertically, not bright horizontally. So I took that as a sign that the moon will literally completely turn horizontal. Okay, so let me show you guys a video that I want to show you pertaining to a guy that also noticed that the moon is not behaving like it's supposed to. Let me show you this clip. And the name of the clip is called "The Moon is Crazy Lately."